Hello there. Today we're doing another weather update for what today's the September 6th. Yesterday we got September 5th and 6th wrong, so that's interesting. So, today a lot of stuff will be happening weather-wise. We'll be breaking it down. We'll be also within the next couple of days within the tropics. So, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna get right into it, and we'll see what's going to happen today, tomorrow, in the next 5 days, since a lot's going to be happening. So, yeah. So the first day, today, there's like a 90% chance, a 50, and a 10, another 10. The 90 is expected to become a tropical depression maybe later today. The 50% maybe a tropical depression within the next 2 or 3 days, probably more like that, as it's gonna get better organized. 90 is definitely gonna make it. One of them has models are saying one of them is gonna be a hurricane, if not both. So we'll see. I don't think it's gonna be able to affect the Gulf of Mexico because of the southern ridge that has right now been put into play as So yeah, I don't. We'll see. We'll see. The southern ridge is pretty much game changing, as it's for usually just be. It usually keeps these strong tropical systems away sometimes, but we'll see if it will or not. I think it could. That's what it did with Nana. So yeah, that's pretty good. So now we're heading to the. There's nothing to talk about here. We have Julio, Julio, or wherever you pronounce it. Yeah. It's not the bet. It's not looking good. It's off of the remnants of Nana, and it formed, but still not very organized. It's gonna head off the coast of, not Africa, Mexico, and then just collapse. So we're heading into the Indian Ocean and Pacific. Yeah. Oh, I really wish it didn't do that. So yeah. Since the Joint Typhoon Center has been saying that Typhoon Haishen or Haishen is expected to make landfall in South Korea. No, either that or Japan. Japan's still expected to get hit hard. So yeah, that's it for the tropics. But we're gonna, since Central Pacific nothing's going on, but still we need to go on to this. Warm front's gonna be passing over northern Illinois. It's gonna keep heading north. So I'll be sparking some severe weather today, as an MCS is right now underway. It's been underway for the past couple hours. So yeah, when we get the radar imagery, I'll tell you. We have some fire weather in Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, Idaho, Nevada, Nebraska, South Dakota. I've heard there's also some mixed precipitation possible in Montana, in the mountain regions. So, I don't think you can see the entire thing for some reason. I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, right now we have a trough in place as well, as it's gonna be probably put into play eventually. But still, as Monday over Illinois is expected to be over. It's expected to be one of expected to be come into play. We'll see in the next frame if that's gonna stand or not. In the next graphic, but yeah, no, the National Weather Service, and it is true somewhat. I mean, as the front's supposed to become net stationary, marginal risk is expected, but there's some heavy snow possible in Wyoming and parts of South Dakota. Mixed precipitation in Idaho, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, as a fire danger in Oregon, Washington, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, and southern Idaho. As you also have a stationary front along Florida, which could be bringing some heavy rain to your area. But right now we have a stationary front in Illinois that's expected to drop multiple, maybe tens of inches of rain, maybe. As some models have been saying, up to 20. So the average model, though, I've seen is around 5 to 10 inches of rain. So yeah, there could be some flooding conditions, but it's gonna be within the next 4 on Monday all the way to Friday, supposedly. And we're gonna get to the next frame very soon, as we have the no fire danger, but still snow in Wyoming, heavy snow possible in Colorado, Wyoming. There's mixed precipitation in Utah, Colorado, Nevada, Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota. Heavy snow possible in Wyoming, also in Colorado. There's some flash flooding possibilities in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Iowa, parts of Illinois, small parts, and then Wisconsin. Though as the stationary front is now in play, definitely gonna be creating some flash flooding conditions to places that will be affected by, like, that are in the red. If you're in the blue and white, you are expecting some mixed precipitation, which could be in the form of rain/snow or just straight up snow. More snow in Wyoming, in Colorado. Right now, this could be a historic snowstorm. So yeah, we'll see how it's gonna play right now. I don't think many malls are saying we're gonna get many inches of rain. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be hot. It's been hot the past couple of days. So in Colorado and the affected areas, world record heating actually. So I don't think it would stick, as this is the last day of the graphic and it's valid. And then we have the radar imagery coming up in a second. Now there we go. And right now we have the MCS over Illinois, southern Wisconsin, eastern Iowa, and western Indiana right now. It's expected to keep heading to the south and east and gradually weaken as it goes over the Ohio Valley. As a set of new storms is expected to form early this afternoon, that could be a potential for tornadoes, heavy strong winds, large hail. We'll keep you updated by uploading the tornado videos. If we get any tornadoes, we'll share with you. So yeah, right now we have the strong mid-level shear, strong upper level shear, low level shear that has sufficient with Cape values still in the 2s to 3,000s, which is enough to in a large portion of the area. So that's enough portions of northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin, which is sufficient enough to create some heavy rain. Could be some supercells as well. So as it is going to come into a line, and then the main threat will become damaging winds and hail still. So we're going to head into the SPC watch. You see the shaded east light right now. They could upgrade it as we go into the early afternoon hours. I wouldn't be surprised if they do. Right now, conditions are favorable to have these strong storms. So right now, there's a 5% tornado risk, around a 15 to 30% chance of damaging winds and hail. So yeah, this is the early afternoon hours is going to be a tornado risk. Later in the afternoon, it's going to be damaging winds and hail. So anyone that's even in the marginal, they should be ready. They should have a plan just in case a very strong storm does develop. If they do upgrade it, we'll give you an update on it. They could be as I'm editing this, they could be upgraded. So I'll give you some news if it isn't. But when I was preparing all the when I was getting all the graphics, nope, they haven't upgraded yet. Okay. So we're all good. But right now the MCS is right now starting to weaken right now, as it's basically getting torn up, and it's raining itself out. And it's been going on for a couple hours now. Since it's been going on for around 13 hours, so it's not bad. So we're going to day 2. Day 2 right now. There's a marginal risk in play right now with a chance of damaging winds and hail. There's a 2% chance of tornadoes. Last time I checked, which was actually we'll see. Is there? We literally have it right here. Day 1. Yep, a 2% tornado probability, a 5% wind, 5% hail. Okay, so not bad, but still. Right now it's gonna be more of a heavy rain event, as the tornado risk is gonna be within northern Missouri and central Illinois and Indiana. So, we're gonna go to the day 3 outlook. As sorry, I was just randomly. It was probably just ended randomly. Yeah, I'll do something. So there's nothing really in day 3. The day 3 outlook right now. Some light rain, maybe some probably general thunderstorms are gonna be developing, as it's gonna be more of a flash flood day than anything else. As in this mainly in the center of the green area, that's where over the middle of the U.S. that's where you're gonna get the flooding rains possibly. And then when we had the day 4 through 8, there's nothing. I just pulled up one. We're not gonna do all 8 because it's pointless, personally. There's nothing gonna be potentials right now. Way too low to have severe weather right now. So we'll see what happens. Maybe if the Gulf of Mexico does something. The Gulf of Mexico coming up right now. So this is the last graphic. So yeah. As goodbyes. Yeah, it's over. Weather update's over for today. Tomorrow we're gonna have another one. Get ready for an emergency weather update, though. At any moment today, between now and around 9 p.m., there's a chance of severe weather. Also after 9 p.m. Right now, 1 to 9 p.m. is probably looking like the strongest chance of severe storm, but still, that's it. Goodbye.